welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my February Ipsy unbagging. So if you guys want to find out with me what's going to be in my bag for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing in here is actually a card that talks about a new program that Ipsy has where you can pick additional products to add to your bag for $3 each, and you can get 3 products. They say they're gonna send out an email about it, so I'm excited to hear a little bit more because I'm not like completely sure about how that process is gonna work. And then I actually think that they tell us like all the things we're getting in our bags now, which is something I always wanted Ipsy to do because sometimes I'm like confused about the product or how much it's worth if you want to get it a full size. Oh, and this is the bag. It's so cute for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. I think I'm posting this the same day that I'm filming this, but I really like this. This is an adorable bag. And then the first thing, a brush. So this is the Glow brush from Mota. I love this brush. I use it for highlighter. I use it for under eye setting powder. So now that I have 2, I'm going to use one for setting powder, one for highlighter. So really love their brushes. I always rave about their brushes. I use at least one Mota brush every single day. I'm looking at like all my brushes in front of me and like a third of them are Mota brushes. They're really affordable. But yeah, this one's one of my favorites. Always love getting brushes, and especially brushes that I actually know that I like. All right, so next up we have a product from Hey Honey, and this actually does tell you all the products that you get for the month. So this is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Moisturizing CC Cream. I guess you can always check online to see what products you got from Ipsy, but this is like super helpful because I never think to do that. But this is a CC cream from Hey Honey. We've gotten a couple products from them before. I know I've gotten like a face mask from them. Let me see. Light to medium tone. So they're usually pretty good about getting me like a decent shade match whenever it comes to a complexion product. So that is the shade that I got. That's light to medium. I feel like that would be like the correct shade for me. It looks a little beige, but for a CC cream, there's usually not as many shades, so I feel like that would be the one I would have chosen anyways. And this is actually like a decent sized product. Says, treat your skin and trick imperfections with color adjusting technology. So maybe once you blend it out, it matches a little better. And then next up, this is from the brand Lab For You. This is the Multi-X Repair Cream. So this is a moisturizer, and it's supposed to also like help with breakouts. So it's like a facial moisturizer. I need to smell it to know if it's good. So I did say it's infused with witch hazel, and I feel like it does have a little bit of that scent. I don't know if I know the scent of witch hazel, but it's what I can imagine it to be like. It has a slight like herbal scent. It reminds me of the scent of like a toner or something. Like something that has a little bit of like an herbal scent, but it's like really faint. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. It does seem like pretty hydrating as well. And then next we also have another skincare product. This is from the brand Elemis. I tried their products like a couple years ago. I remember using them up, but I don't remember too much about them. So this is a superfood facial wash. It's infused with avocado and kale, which is interesting. So I need to smell this because I don't want to smell like a salad. Alright, so I actually do like the smell. It doesn't smell like vegetables. It smells like kind of like a green tea kind of product. It just smells like very healthy, but it definitely doesn't have like an avocado or kale scent to it. I didn't think it would have like that big of a scent, but definitely more of like a little bit herbal. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this up. I run out of facial cleansers so quickly. I think I might just like overuse facial cleansers. I'm always paranoid that I have like a little bit of makeup left on my skin, and I use like 2 to 3 cleansers every time I wash my face. So I can always use more cleansers for sure. And I haven't tried this out from this brand, even though I have tried out some other products. All right, so lastly I have a highlighter here, and this is from the brand Stefanie Botanicals, and this is the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. I want to say we've gotten like a blush from this brand before. All right, so this is actually more of like a pink toned highlighter. It's a little bit bronzy. I want to swatch it. I really do think we got a, ooh, this actually looks a little bit icier. But I do think we got some kind of a blush from this brand earlier in the year. So there is the highlighter, kind of blends into my skin because it is a little bit lighter. But I have my highlighter brush here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a little bit and see what that looks like. It actually feels really nice. Yeah, I can see that it's kind of more of like an icy looking highlighter. And I feel like everything that I got in my bag, other than this brush, they're all like green beauty products or have that kind of vibe of more of like natural products or something that has a little bit of some kind of like earthy vibe to it, like with this, the superfood wash, even the repair cream seems like a little bit more natural compared to some other products that I would normally get. I don't know if I'm making this up. I feel like Hey Honey, just because it has the word honey in it, I think of it as more natural, but I swear that I see this brand in more of like the natural or green beauty section of like different drugstores. So I might be totally making this up, but I didn't know if there was like some kind of green beauty theme with this bag. Let me know if you guys got like similar types of products. All right guys, so that is everything that I got in my bag for this month. I'm actually really surprised that I got basically all skin products other than the highlighter, but everything was like a face type of product. There's no like eyeshadow, mascara, lipsticks, anything like that. I got 2 skincare products, a facial cleanser and a moisturizer, and then a CC cream. So mostly all face stuff, a highlighter brush, and a highlighter. So a little bit different than what I normally get. I do remember like checking my profile towards the end of December, so maybe things were switched up when I like rearranged my profile a little bit, and I always like getting skincare products, so I'm always happy with that. But I do like getting makeup too, and not just like a CC cream. So hopefully I get like more makeup next month. Definitely, probably my favorite thing in here is gonna be the brush that I already own, because it's probably the same value as the whole bag in itself. I'm gonna use the skincare products for sure. And then I'm not super crazy about the highlighter, like I'll use it, but I have other highlighters in similar shades that are already my favorite. All right, so that is everything for my bag for February. Definitely let me know if you guys got any similar products or any similar themed products in the comments below. And that's gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.